If I were a bird, the first thing I would do is spread my wings and soar high into the endless blue sky. I would fly above cities, rivers, mountains, and forests, seeing the world from a completely different perspective. The busy roads and crowded streets below would look tiny from above. Every morning, I would wake up with the sunrise and greet the day with a cheerful song. I would travel wherever I wanted without needing a car, a train, or an airplane. My wings would be all I needed to explore new places and discover hidden wonders of nature. I would visit beautiful forests, glide over sparkling oceans, and rest on the branches of tall trees. I could watch the changing seasons from above and witness breathtaking views that most people never get to see. However, being a bird would not be easy all the time. I would have to search for food every day, protect myself from predators, and survive harsh weather conditions. Storms, strong winds, and cold winters would be constant challenges. If I were a bird, I would also remind people to care for nature. Trees are not just part of the landscape. They are homes for countless birds and animals. By protecting forests and the environment, we protect the lives of many living creatures. Although flying through the sky sounds exciting, being human has its own advantages. Still, whenever I see a bird soaring freely above the clouds, I can't help but imagine how wonderful it would be to experience that freedom, even for a single day.